Joe Boys.
Welcome to Joe Boys.
Mama, you have to see this.
What is it?
It's something in the garage.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let's have a look.
In my helmet. It's sticks.
What's in your helmet?
I'm not sure, but there are lots of sticks for some reason.
Lots of stick in your helmet. Wow.
Is there any?
Is that a bird nest?
Why is there a bird nest in my helmet?
Maybe because you are not riding the bike enough, John.
No. I think that noise is the mama bird.
That's the voice of the mama bird?
Yeah.
I still can't believe the bird out of all the places it could choose in the garage. The comfy buckets. This lovely bike. Even in that corner, it had to choose my helmet.
Yeah, we don't know if there is any birds there, isn't it?
Okay. Hello, friends. The bird nest is inhabited. Me and Joseph just saw two little chicks. Two chicks. Joseph was the first to see, and we both saw their mouths open. And the chicks were leaving their mouths open because the mummy bird would come with the worms, and the chicks would eat the food. Now I know that it's inhabited because we can start with the chicks down. Yeah, the chicks. Yeah, the chicks are very hungry. The chicks are like. Hello friends, today we remember the long time ago the nasty and the chicks are little, but now the chicks are big.
Oh.
Hello, friends. Last week, as you remember, we discovered a bird nest in my helmet. And then after that, we discovered that it was inhabited. Because at first we didn't know if it was inhabited or not. Then we saw the chicks open their mouths out wide. The reason why is so that the mummy bird can drop the worms into their mouth. Because they can't swallow like we can. So they have to just look up and then open their mouths. Then we discovered there were 5 chicks, not 2, all of them huddled up in the nest. Then way after that, maybe a few weeks, we saw 2 of the chicks from the nest flying around in the garage. And then finally, the chicks left and now it isn't inhabited. But that's the story of how there was a bird nest in my helmet.
Hello.
Oh God, look at them. I feel like there are 4.
Yeah, we thought there was 2. Okay, so the birds flew away. They were in our garage for like quite a few days, and
No, the bird is
yeah,
there
we
the bird was there when we got to school and got back home.
yeah we got the cricket. When I got the
School,
cricket
come
bat,
back.
when I was
School.
getting the cricket bat, riding the bike, we saw the baby birds flying around in the garage. But it looks like they've all grown up because the nest is empty.